Are you living in a bedsitter or a small studio apartment? Want to make the most of your space while adding style? In this video, we are revealing 10 genius room divider ideas that will transform your single room setup. Stay tuned to discover creative solutions that maximize space, boost privacy, and look absolutely stunning. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips. First on our list is the classic bookshelf room divider. This is perfect for adding storage while also sectioning off your sleeping area. A tall, open bookshelf creates a light and airy separation without blocking natural light. Plus, you get extra space for your favorite books, plants, and decor. Here are some ideas that you can actually use bookshelves in your bedsitter. For an elegant and affordable option, use curtains as room dividers. Not only are they easy to install, but also add softness and can be opened or closed depending on how much privacy you need. Pro tip: choose light, flowy fabrics for a cozy minimalist look. Here are some examples of different ways you can decorate or separate your bedsitter using curtains. If you want something more permanent, sliding doors are a sleek solution. You can go for frosted glass for a modern touch or choose wooden panels for a rustic feel. These dividers offer privacy while maintaining an open, flexible layout. So here are great examples on how you can use a frosted glass for that modern touch in your bedsitter. Need something mobile and stylish? Foldable screens are the answer. They come in various designs from bohemian to chic modern and are perfect for creating separations between your living and sleeping area. Plus, they can be easily stored when not in use. So here are great examples on how you can use foldable screens in your bedsitter. Why not bring the outdoors in with a plant divider? Tall, lush plants like bamboo make beautiful natural room dividers. Not only do they provide privacy, but they also purify the air and add life to your space. So here are great examples on how you can use plants as a room divider in your bedsitter. Turn your bed into a multifunctional space with a loft bed. By elevating your bed, you create room underneath for desk or sitting area, instantly dividing the space into a sleeping zone and a work or lounge area. It's perfect for impact living. So here are great examples of an elevated bed that is a loft bed for your bedsitter. Want to add some personality to your space? Hanging room dividers like macrame beads or even hanging plants are a fun, artistic way to separate your living area. They are lightweight, easy to install, and great for creating a boho or eclectic vibe. So here is a great way to use hanging plants or macrame beads and hangings as your room divider in your bedsitter. Consider building a partial wall if you're ready to commit to a more structural change. This low or mid-height walls create a clear divide without fully closing off the space. They are perfect for defining different areas while keeping the room feeling open and spacious. So here is a great example of more structural dividers that you can use for your bedsitter. Why not let your wardrobe work as a divider? A clothing rack can be a practical and stylish way to create separation between your bed and living area. You get easy access to your clothes while also creating a clear divide in your space. So here is a great example on how you can use your clothing rack as a room divider in your bedsitter. Last but not least, cube storage units are a versatile option. These open or closed units can act as both storage and a divider. They help keep things organized while visually breaking up your space. You can even add baskets or decorative pieces to personalize it. So here are great examples on how you can use these open or closed units as a room divider in your bedsitter. Those are our 10 genius room divider ideas to maximize space and style in your bedsitter. Whether you're looking for privacy, storage, or just a creative way to divide your room, is something on this list for you. Let us know in the comments which idea is your favorite, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome home hacks.